Rejuvaphyl Ultra-Rich Hydration is a luxurious moisturizer designed to nourish and hydrate skin, restore skin barrier properties, and add additional anti-aging benefits to your skin health regimen. A buttery blend of our proprietary Phytochromatic MD registered complex, antioxidants and other nourishing ingredients that melt into the skin and provide optimal hydration and anti-aging benefits. Rejuvaphyl Ultra-Rich Hydration is a concentrated formulation created to hydrate even the most dry and dehydrated skin types, and a small application amount is recommended for best results. Your physician or skincare professional can help you select the best MDRejuvena hydration product for your skin health. Rejuvaphyl Ultra-Rich Hydration contains Phytochromatic MD registered complex, which lends the green color to the formula. Upon application, it will absorb luxuriously into your skin, leaving no trace of color, only well-hydrated, healthy skin. Proprietary formula: a buttery blend of our proprietary Phytochromatic MD registered complex, antioxidants and other nourishing ingredients. No gimmicks, intensely nourishes and hydrates with effective absorption, maintain and heal, restore skin barrier properties and add additional anti-aging benefits. Anti-aging enhances and maintains the results of facial procedures, as featured on Modern Living with Kathy Ireland. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.